Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of skincare. Find out about the amazing benefits of vitamin C serum, a game changer that will have your skin glowing like never before.
Get ready to be amazed as we tell you how to get a complexion that oozes radiance, confidence, and undeniable beauty.
But first, what exactly is vitamin C serum? Well, it's a powerful skincare product that is full of antioxidants and has taken over the beauty industry. Packed with the goodness of vitamin C, it's a game changer for getting healthy and beautiful skin.
Now, you might be wondering what makes vitamin C serum so special and why you should use it. Let us break it down for you. 1. Brightens and evens out skin tone. Vitamin C serum has a lot of vitamin C, which is known for its brightening properties. It can help get rid of dark spots and hyperpigmentation and balance your skin tone, making you look beautiful. So, if you have scars from acne or sun damage, vitamin C serum might help you with that.
2. Powerful antioxidant protection. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your skin from free radicals, which are unstable chemicals that cause your skin to age faster and get damaged. By getting rid of these free radicals, vitamin C serum helps protect your skin from environmental stressors like pollution and UV rays. If you use vitamin C serum as part of your skincare routine, it helps protect your face from these annoying free radicals.
3. Helps make more collagen. Collagen is a structural protein that keeps our skin firm and smooth. As we get older, our bodies make less collagen, which makes fine lines and wrinkles appear. Vitamin C helps in collagen production, which is important for maintaining skin elasticity and firmness. Using vitamin C serum can help your skin make more of its own collagen, which can make your skin more flexible and reduce the look of fine lines and wrinkles, giving you a younger look.
4. Hydrates and moisturizes. Many vitamin C serums have moisturizing chemicals in them, like hyaluronic acid, that helps keep moisture in the skin. This can make your skin look plumper and lessen the appearance of dryness.
5. Anti-inflammatory properties. Vitamin C's anti-inflammatory properties can help soothe skin that is red, itchy, or sensitive. It can help reduce inflammation, calm redness, and give your skin a calmer complexion.
6. Enhances sun protection. Although vitamin C serum should never be used as a substitute for sunscreen, it can be used in addition to sunscreen and other ways to protect yourself from the sun. Vitamin C has been shown to protect the skin from damage caused by the sun, giving it an extra layer of protection.
At this point, you might be wondering how to add vitamin C serum to your daily routine. It's quite easy. But first, if you liked this video and thought it was helpful, please give it a like and share it with your friends.
So, here's a step-by-step guide to adding vitamin C serum to your daily skincare routine. 1. Wash your face. Start by washing your face with a gentle cleanser to remove any dirt, oil, or impurities. Pat your skin dry with a clean towel.
2. Tone. If you use a toner as part of your daily skincare routine, use it now. Toners can help even out the skin's pH and get it ready for better absorption of other products.
3. Shake the vitamin C serum bottle. Give the bottle of vitamin C serum a gentle shake to make sure all the parts are mixed well. Then, put a small amount of serum on your hand or fingertips. Start with a pea-sized amount and add or take away as needed to get the amount you want.
4. Apply the serum. Gently massage the vitamin C serum into your face using upward strokes. Pay extra attention to parts that need more care, like areas with hyperpigmentation, black spots, or fine lines. Don't put anything on the sensitive skin around your eyes unless the product says it's okay to do so.
5. Let the serum absorb. Give your face a few minutes to absorb the serum before using any other skincare products. This makes it easier for vitamin C to absorb well and do its job.
6. Moisturize. Use your regular lotion after the serum has been absorbed. The moisturizer keeps the vitamin C serum and gives your face another layer of hydration.
7. Use sunscreen. It's important to protect your face from UV rays, especially if you're using vitamin C serum. To finish your skincare process, put on a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher. This will prevent your skin from getting any damage and make the most of the benefits of vitamin C serum.
Remember, it's important to be consistent. Use it every day, preferably in the morning, as part of your skincare routine for the best results. If you have sensitive skin or are using other active ingredients, talk to a dermatologist to find out how often you should use the product for your specific needs.
Look for a vitamin C serum that has a stable type of vitamin C, like L-ascorbic acid, because this is the most effective. Serums should also be kept in dark, sealed bottles to protect them from light and air and keep them working well.
And there you have it. Vitamin C serum is truly amazing, providing your skin with protection, brightening effects, and overall rejuvenation. But if you have any concerns or allergies, you should always talk to a dermatologist before adding it to your routine.
Thank you for joining us today, and we'll see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell to get updated whenever we upload a new video.